We have with us CEO of India Post Payments Bank, Mr. AP Singh. Mr. Singh, congratulations on launching 2 branches of India Post Payments Bank. So, what will be the interest rate that will be offered on the deposits made in IPBB accounts?
The interest rate really is going to be a tiered one. So up to 25,000 it will be 4.5%, up to 50,000 5%, and from 50,000 to 1 lakh it will be 5.5.
So, don't you think this is a bit less than what the first launch Airtel Payments Bank was offering? They're offering 7.25% interest on the deposits made on their payment bank platform.
There's an asterisk there which says conditions apply. In our case there is none.
Okay. And so, how many customers are you targeting by the end of this year? You've said that by September 30th, 2017, there'll be 650 branches of IPBB getting launched. So, how many customers are you targeting by the end of the next financial year?
Well, I think significantly we are targeting, like the post office from where we come, a universal customer base. So that might be in terms of one-time transactions which are, so to say, an extinguishable account. It might be through a prepaid instrument or it might be through a regular account. But the way we are looking at it is that everyone in the country should be using us in one way or the other. So it's, our focus is really on payments. It's not on deposit taking.
And sir, you've said India Post Payments Bank will also have significant number of ATMs. So when do we see that happening? You've said that 1,000 ATMs which were run under India Post will soon get transferred to India Post Payments Bank. So when do we see that happening?
I think that should be happening pretty soon, in a couple of months.
And so what is the roadmap that you've laid right now? Where do you see India Post Payments Banks 5 years down the line?
I think as I said, that we're targeting a universal customer base, and we believe that in a couple of years, every Indian would be ready to do digital transactions. And that's where I think the India Post Payments Bank is going to be coming into the picture. It doesn't matter whose customer that ultimately is going to be, but with our feet to the ground, with our reach through the postman to every doorstep, I think initially assisted digital banking is what we will promote, and we believe that will deepen and broaden the market to everyone's advantage, including those who you might think are our competitors, but coming from the government, well, we are not in competition. We are here to support everyone.
Okay. So lastly, I would like to ask you my question again as to how many customers are you targeting by the end of the next financial year when you launch your operations full-fledgedly?
Well, in the next financial year, if things go right, I think our dream of everyone transacting with us one time or the other should have come true.
Thank you so much for speaking to Bloomberg.
Thank you. It was a pleasure.